Ever wondered how modern hydraulic systems fit multiple valve functions into such a small space? A cartridge valve is a compact hydraulic control component that installs directly into a precision-machined cavity inside a manifold. So why use cartridge valves? They can save space, reduce leak points, simplify installation, and make maintenance easier. That's why cartridge valve systems are widely used in mobile equipment, industrial machinery, material handling, and automation. HFD offers cartridge valve solutions, including the VSCOR pop-in, cartridge flow control valve, VDR adjustable flow regulator, and VDR/CO fixed flow regulator. Looking for the right cartridge valve for your hydraulic system? Explore HFD's cartridge valve solutions and learn more.